In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add the EMA indicator in Moomoo. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned investor looking to fine-tune your strategy, understanding how to add indicators like the EMA or exponential moving average can be incredibly beneficial. The EMA is a popular tool among traders for its ability to smooth out price data and highlight trends. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Moomoo app or website. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure you have all the latest features and improvements. Once you have Moomoo open and ready, you're already one step closer to adding the EMA indicator. Next, you'll need to go to the chart settings. This is typically found by navigating to any stock or asset chart within the platform. Look for a settings option, which might be represented by a gear icon or a similar symbol. Once you're in the chart settings, you'll find an option labeled Manage Indicators. This is your gateway to customizing your chart with various indicators that can help you analyze market trends more effectively. Once you've selected Manage Indicators, a list of available indicators will appear. Here, you want to choose EMA. Selecting EMA will usually provide you with a few customization options, allowing you to adjust the settings to better fit your trading style and preferences. You might be prompted to enter a specific period for the EMA, which refers to the number of data points the EMA will use to calculate its value. Many traders start with a 12 or 26 period EMA, but you can experiment with different settings to see what works best for you. After you've adjusted your settings to your liking, simply apply the changes, and you should now see the EMA line appear on your chart. It's really that simple. The EMA line will help you visualize the average price of an asset over a specified period, placing more weight on recent prices, which can be particularly useful in identifying trends more quickly than a simple moving average. And there you have it. That's how you add the EMA indicator in Moomoo. Remember, using indicators like EMA is just one part of a comprehensive trading strategy. It's important to combine different tools and approaches that align with your trading goals. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your investment strategies. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.